Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Here I'm going to guide you on how to earn on lightspeak.io/faucet.com. It's very easy to earn on this platform. To earn on this platform, you just have to complete some little tasks. Here it says to receive reward from hourly faucets. Per hour, you're going to be earning rewards on this platform just by claiming the reward only. Now we're going to click on the top left menu button, but before we proceed, I would like everyone to click on the comment section below for more videos. So now here is the platform. This is what it looks like. Now you're going to click on the left top menu button. You're going to see three ways you can earn on this platform, being faucets, games, affiliates. Then after that, I will guide you on how to withdraw on the platform, to withdraw all your earnings, to deposit on this platform, and how to refer friends to earn as well too. Now I'm going to guide you on faucets. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to scroll down. All you just have to do now is to verify that you are a human. You got to click here and claim. That's all. Everything will reflect on your balance. I've already earned already. Now that's just all about faucets. Now you're going to go back to the top left menu button again and click on games. Okay, when you click on games, we're going to let it load now. Okay, now here is the games available for us. Now you can choose any of these games. For me now, I'm going to choose the first game. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to load. Okay, now you don't have to undergo any process. All you have to do now is to click on roll dice. Roll your dice. The next thing you see, your balance increases. Now you can see my balance has increased from 270 to 280. That's just all about this platform. It's very easy. Now let's go back to the top menu left button again. Let's go to affiliates. We'll let it to load. Here in affiliates, it allows you to refer friends and earn more. The more you refer friends, the more you earn on the platform. Now all you have to do is to scroll down on the affiliates. You're going to see your referral link here. All you have to do is to copy and share to all your friends on WhatsApp, any social media at all you're into. Share. That's just all about referring your friends to and earn on the platform. So now let's go back. Okay, let's go back now. That's just all about earning on this platform. There's no much thing here. It's not hard, very easy. Now let's go back to withdrawal. You can only withdraw on this platform because it's a free investment platform. So you can only withdraw your earnings. So now you have to do to add your withdrawal address. All you have to do is to verify if you're a human. After that, you add your withdrawal amount, the amount you wish to withdraw. Then you will click on withdraw on the down button below. Once you click on the withdrawal, then your balance will go into your wallet address immediately. That's all about this platform. So now for you to get more videos, just make sure you click on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.